Hello winners, welcome to entry and targets for December. Yes, we will set up trades that can last until the entire month of December and hit monthly take profit targets. Yes, there is for USD, yen, gold, CHF and oil. That's what we will set up now. I think that's amazing that we have in the before it has happened, we will say that's when we will take profit, okay? Are you ready? Good. We'll go through USD first. I think that would be good. USD first. So we do Aussie USD. Very quickly, very fast. That's the monthly price target, price entry. That is the monthly sell entry. That is the buy entry. That is the target for buyers. Target for buyers is 69.30, and then for sellers, their entry is at 68,500, going down all the way down to 66.70. Meaning, at any point, at any given time, when price is above this line here or below this line here, you don't trade anymore. You're like, nope, this is over. Let me do something. Well, let's see in the past. Has this been respected before? Let's see. Oh, that's a monthly target. Oh, interesting. That's the monthly sell entry. Oh, that is the monthly buy entry. Oh, that is the monthly buy entry. Oh, that is a sell. But as you can see, you need some kind of technical analysis before you enter, and that is a target. Amazing. Okay. Amazing. Okay, so what do we do for December? December, first of all, you need to go with at least 3 years back and see what has happened in the last 3 years in December. First of all, that is your technical analysis. Then, second of all, I want some kind of reversal, some bottom, some higher high, some higher low, some kind of this, and then you buy in this area here. So you want this price to be respected, okay? That is the first thing to do. So this is the sell, this is the buy entry, and for the week and for the month, that is dynamite, mostly. So what do I expect? I expect price to go up. Well, the first target for this week and month is 68. 68.05, okay? Very quickly, very specific. But if price just does this, as for the seller, up to 67.8 and then plummet down, then they have a target. They also have a target. They have a target of 67.35 and then, yes, down to 66.73 in the end. And then if the price comes early before 16th and 15th, then I would say look for reversal and then price might go up again. Like we will see on gold earlier. Okay. Then what do? What else needs there to be? Well, when you have monthly trades, I would say 50 to 75 pips. So 50 pips is to 67, and then for 75, that is down to here, that is 66. Well, that's quite far down. So I would say 50 and then wait for it to reverse back down here and say, does that work or not? But also you need to look back, does 75 or 50 pips stop loss work best? That is up to your analysis. I'm just telling you what you should do. By the way, this webinar does not contain any investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Trading Forex is high risk. It comes with high reward. So, risk little. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. And this webinar is only for educational purposes. Okay? Good. Then we are good on that as well. Okay, good. What else do we need to want to say? And then sellers as well, 50 pips stop loss. Euro. USD. Euro USD. Where are you? There you are. So what do I expect here? I expect up. Some say, oh, I don't know about this candle. This is actually quite powerful, strong candle. Why is this a powerful, strong candle? It almost reached target for profit taking for sellers. Point 1, very important. Point 2, this is the buy price for buyers. This is the weekly price for buyers. Sometimes it actually goes ahead of the market. Has that happened before? Well, yes, it has. And could it do now? Yeah, it could. Most definitely, yeah. About being early, this is the 14th. If price comes down early, that is not take profit though, but to buy zone, for example, if it comes down early, it can turn around as it did. Or you can see it. Price reacted to sell price last month, reacted to buy price last month, and then we still ended up lower. But now for this month, I'm bullish. Why? Because I'm bullish bias. Fundamental bias is up. So we look for a buy. I think that's quite good. So what is the first target? The first target is 110.50 people. Then you have 50 pips stop loss. Or 75 pips stop loss, depending. But then where's your entry? Your entry is first plan A is here of 10.11, 50 pips stop loss. And then down here at 109.99, 75 pips stop loss. And then we shall see what works. Of course it can go down, anything can go down. But technically what we're doing now, that's what I want to see. And then I want to see price. If price ever comes up to 111, that is a major sell zone for sellers. Very important. Then they will take it down to 109 flat. But if buyers get it all the way up to 111, around 112, just below 112, take profit, leave it, go on vacation. But we're December, so look back for at least 3 years of history. Look back, okay? And then what else? How else can you do that? Look, and then you do, yeah. How do you draw eyes, really? Okay, I don't know. Look that way, okay? And then pound USD. Pound has been in a range, so the pivot points are quite narrow now, so we're in a range. You have to play the range, so if price ever comes up to 29.50, then that's a sell. If price ever comes down to 28.41 to 28.50, that's also a buy. Target for buyers is 130.60, and sellers is 127. But this is Brexit related, so anything that happens to Brexit, this will go up and this will go down. And by the end of it, we might just go sideways. Okay? As we have all been done. And so you have to look out for now it's polls of who is most likely to win the election. That is really going to push the market. Okay, gold, as I mentioned. Did I do gold for you? No, we didn't do gold. Well, this is a new high, people. Very good, very good. This is a sell for the week, so that would say the price will go down. And then this is the buy zone of 1460, and then the buy price of the month is 1454. Take it up to 1473 this week, and then if it comes all the way up here, then 1489 is the sell price for sellers going down. Okay, and then if sellers react to this price here, then like this, like it happened last month, it came up and it went all the way down to take profit last month. Okay, now the take profit for this month of December is 1418, and then for buyers is 1524. So by the way, you need to put down in your book, in your tradingview.com that I use right now, all these prices, write them down, put them into your charts so that you also have this, because this is important. And I believe that the uptrend will last until 1st of February. Now, 1st of February, come back, Either shoot me or say thank you to me, and we shall see who will be right. Okay. New Zealand dollar has an interesting pattern on the daily, which makes this a breakout if it happens. Not that breakout, but this is really pushing higher, pushing higher, pushing higher. I can't see that on 4 hour, but I saw that in another YouTube video. Thank you for that, person. And then I would say that what's happening here? This is a sell zone. This is a sell price. Could we sell off? Do that? I would potentially maybe not. Well, we reacted kind of off monthly price here, and we reacted off monthly price here. So that makes us just pushing higher. I don't think this will be played. If it's going to go higher, it's just going to go straight up, kind of a thing now, because it's just pushing higher and higher, higher, higher. And though USD is now going to weaken, as I believe, this is just going to go straight. So first of all, the first target is 64.50. That's the first price. And for sellers is 63.80. But then selling price of the month is 64.50 and buy price is 63.70. So, but I don't believe if it's going to be bullish, if it's down here, that would be not so positive. It would be weakening. And then we have target all the way to 65. I believe that if we go early up there to 65, 65.100, then price might just do like this, just sideways before going up. It will definitely take away some of the buyers, and that will not necessarily make the price move fast higher. Okay, well, good. USDCAD, I believe, is going down, but this is now a range, triple top maybe, but that's the sell price. Let me take away some of my drawings. This is not good. You should not be there. Oops, that was not correctly. Then some brush. Okay, good. So what? First of all, sell price is 133 for the weekend month. That is quite strong. Those two close together, quite strong. First target is 132.40. The ultimate goal is 131 for sellers. So they will just do this, and then when it comes down here, it will be reacting up again, and then go down, then that, then we are in by the end of the month. Okay? Good. What else? 134 is for the buyers. I don't want you to be buyer. I don't want you to go up. But if buyers, if it goes all the way to up to 34, you shouldn't be trading it anymore. Then you should be like, I'm done. Okay. So I think down. That's my bias. That's what I want. That's what I want to see. Could go up, but if it goes up, you have to stop at 34, and then the weekly target for this week is 33.25. 25. Okay? Is that amazing? Use this with. I don't like you trading it, so I'm just going to give you the monthly price. Sell price is at 10010. Okay? Then your target is all the way down to 98.40. Okay? If price ever comes up down here, you stop selling. But if you're like, I want to take this up, well, at least the buy price, and if it does go up, if this does come down, and then you want to take it up, 199.22 is kind of a thing. But I will believe that's quite low, I believe. Okay, maybe just kicking off this is some kind of thing. Okay, oh well. So this is a buy price to buy from, and then this is a buy price to buy from. So plan A, plan B. If you're a seller, you just want to have it back up here to 10010, and then you sell it until it doesn't sell anymore. You just follow the trend down. Okay. USD yen is also a sell price. This is a USD move, I guess, because all the USDs is at resistance or support, and you want to take it down. You want to take it down. Target is 107.80. Buyers is 110.40. So what I want to see. What do I want to see? I don't trade this. I don't want you to trade USD yen, but I'm going to do it just so I can brag. Then I say I was right. And this is a sell price of 109.63, and then the buy price is 108.63. Whatever happens, this looks to be a price where price can go up around 109. That's kind of, yeah. That seems to be an okay area. And then bigger picture, we are kind of sideways fighting it to go up. But also you need to see what happened last December. It started off high, went lower, went back up, so down, up, and then Plymouth. USDZAR, I think also will do, because that's all part of USD pairs. I want this to go up either here of 1470. That's like the first entry. That's plan A to sell. And then the ultimate goal is 1490. Sell it down to at least there's a target of 1433. Is this a target? But yeah. For this week, we have a target of 1452. We want it to go up to 1470, as I said. Yeah, then we're all good. Target of buyers is 1519. Stop buying at that price. Okay. Awesome. US oil. Amazing. That's the buy price for the month, for the week. A bit far away from each other, but I would want a bit more lower. Sell price of the week and the month is 56.96 or 57. So, do you think even price will go up there? No, I don't think so. I think that's too high. I think we'll just do maybe up to 56 and then fall. And then next target is 53.62 for this week. And the ultimate goal is 52.41. But if you are a buyer, I think this is going to go higher. 59.35 is the target. And as you can see last month, I haven't done that much in this webinar, but yeah, that's the entry. That's the take profit. Look at that. See, when it takes profit, you're out. And if you have some kind of double top, lower low, lower high, you sell it. Did I sell it? Yes, I did. Good. Okay. That is a way to do it. That is 280 pips. Awesome, mate. Please leave a comment if you got any value from this webinar. Alright. I think that is the best thing you can ever do is to give it a comment. Because unless you don't give a comment, would I know that you have watched it? Would I think that you would think this was amazing? That we actually have entries, we can do one trade on one pair and be set for the month. And if you're right, you can look into hundreds of pips. And if you're wrong, well, you have your stop loss. That takes away all your short-term trading, all your Nini trading. No. So Aussie yen, where are we? First of all, I just want to do the sell prices. 74.83 and 73.68. Target is 72.52 and 76.02. Then this week, brothers and sisters, this is that's not interesting. This is not Good. This looks to me to be a sell. Either up here and then down, or in this area here. This is not strong. But so you have to do 3 years of analysis in that direction and see what has happened. That's when you figure out what you should do, okay? So our target for this week is 73.56 and 74.424. Pretty amazing, pretty good. But then what is your entries around here? Off 74.16 and 73.86. I don't like it anymore. I don't like it, but this is a good place to buying still in this wedge, but I still believe that this has the potential of just limiting. But then you also have to then watch, if you're a buyer, if you watch 73.68, if it then reverses back up again, okay? Very good, very good. And Canadian, you are a bit different today, I would say. So this is supposed to be resistance of this here. So what do you say, Ivan? I say it could pop up to 70, up to 82, 74. That would be something. And then come back down again. Down to at least 81, 84. And then it might just do this. Okay. And then target is 83.65. And target is 80.93. Okay. Amazing. For Euro Yen, we have we have the EURUSD wanted to go up, so but that's also resistance, some very likely to CAD yen. We have the monthly sell price just above it of 121-ish, just short of 121 and 120.90. Then the buy price for this month is 120, short of 120, around 119.90. And if you see some kind of reversal here, that's when you want to start buying again. If it falls, but if it makes a new high, then actually you should try to catch a bottom of it, because if it goes above here, then it's likely to continue higher up all the way to 121.90, short of 122. And if it does actually sell off until forever, 118.85 is your your price in the center where you stop trading and stop selling and take your profit. You walk home, you take your Christmas presents, deliver it to your family and say, hey, this is what Forex did to me. Awesome. British pound, Japanese yen, we are at specifically monthly resistance, monthly entry, weekly entry, dynamite, doing. First challenge is 140.42. First challenge. But also, if the price ever comes down to 139.17, that would make it the place to stop buying, stop selling. That makes this range valid until forever and ever. But then if it actually goes higher, then you should take profit of 142, 143, just short of 143, 142.90. Okay, very easy. This is the entry. What is the buy price? 140.50. So another thing that I want to tell you is, in most of these pairs is 50 pips stop loss to 75 pips stop loss, depending. Some needs larger, some need smaller. If it needs larger, you need to take lower risk. And if you have less than $100 in your account, you should have one entry, one order, only. $100 in your account, one. order. And if I see any more than that, I would say, you have to close it. This is too much risk. Because what do you do with $100? Would you do the same with 1 million? Can I trust you with $100 if I can trust you with 1 million? You have to think of that. Because we as Forex traders, we're supposed to be the best breed in the world of handling money and assets. And if I want to invest in the Forex market through you, and you go from 100 to 50 to 80 to 20, I will lose all my money. Okay, so you need to be, you need, even though if you have $100 in 3 years, if you have low risk, you can go to any investor and say, look, okay, look at what I have. Amazing. And they were like, yeah, we're happy to give you money. If you have low risk, steady returns, just not, but then you will have in the end so much money you cannot even afford to not have time to spend it. Monthly sell price, weekly sell price, that's normally dynamite. Target for this week is 69.42, and then if you take it back up again around 69.86, the target is 71.200 at least, maybe higher. For this week we're only taking 70 to 70.83, and then if you're selling throughout the month, it goes down, 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 down. You stop selling at 68.800. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you have and learned something new. I hope you have seen something new. I also hope that you as a trader will become better if you have one trade, one entry, one order for the month, instead of just having tons of them and losing tons, because the market is risky and you need to put yourself in the best positions, best possible investment opportunities, and that is not day trading. Day trading like a video game, like nope. Okay, I hope you have a good value from this. Please comment below. Please stay safe and don't risk money, and don't put money into a Forex market you can not afford to lose. Until next time, I see you.